So clean up and relax in the apartment. A delivery? Ooh, it looks like penguins. This should set some light on things. We were right. We should start calling this place Club GuguGaga. They're rambunctious little birds, aren't they? And that was before they started breathing fire. I guess when you live in Antarctica, you appreciate the heat.
Yeah. Huh?
I think it's time to move these little babies. And right into the bathtub. Besides, penguins love the water. Let's play things safe and give each of them a diaper. And all that destruction probably left them hungry. Okay, kids, you've had a big day. It's nap time. And look, under the eggshells, it's a pair of boots. Start clicking your heels, 'cause it's time to go. Besides, it looks like Spunky Land needs us. And there's nothing a good song can't fix. I've heard of bringing down the house. But a mountain? And a mountain full of glitter stars? What can't K-pop do? Wow! Candy-colored balls! And she's still not impressed? Wait, that's what she was looking for. Some Spunky cards. Step right up, Spunkies, and choose your color. First up is Ratty, I think. Go to the red. No, the red! Oh, I see. It was Simon all along. Which means this should be Pinky. And I'd recognize those headphones anywhere, Oren. And to thank you, a pretty pink princess dress. Let's hope Nick and Judy got a good deal on this place. Oh wait, is this a crime scene we need to clean up? Either way, a little soap and water wouldn't hurt. And we'd better crank out the old vacuum. Uh-oh, the Lynx family! And they brought hammers! I wonder if they made their money in demolitions. But we've got a carpenter's secret weapon, chewing gum. Still, we should probably cover the holes with bricks. Carpenters, like magicians, have to have a few secrets. We want things to look presentable after all. See, we've already got our first guest, Sussy. And I think we've got a housewarming gift. New furniture, and it's already assembled. If only it were all a little less beige. Well, when things look bleak, it's time to think pink. We should start our own home renovation show. And our reward, a bar of soap. Well, all right. Time for fun at the GuguGaga Penguin Playground. Uh-oh, the Penguin Girl's natural enemy! Help has arrived. Now get lost before a house falls on you. Why don't you come with us? Here, step inside. Now that's our cue to make an exit. Aw, our new house guest is adorable. And she's got a lot of energy to burn. Hey, we're where'd you get that gum? Ugh, it's gonna blow! Well, on the bright side, it didn't get in your hair. Hey, bubblegum should always be used for good. But if you want to blow big bubbles, I think we can come up with something for you. Just need a balloon and a paper cup. And why not give it a cute bunny theme? She'll blow all the bubbles you want for you. Oh no! I just knew the cardboard boxes would revolt. Oh, it's just you. But it's not nice to scare people. Or take jobs from hardworking jack-in-the-boxes. Wait, that's it! Grab some paper. X marks the spot. Fold them up. And you get an open box. Next up, we're gonna need our own Jack. Except this Jack is a penguin girl. I'll call her Jackie. Add some wings and a paper staircase. Stick her inside and give her a push. Aw, someone's got a cold. Granted, she's always cold. Oh, you know what I mean. Anyway, inspiration strikes! Grab an image of our favorite penguin girl and keep her down with tape. Now let's punch out all those unneeded edges. And don't forget our secret ingredient, green slime. Hey, she's got a messy face, just like you. Let's show you what we can do. Just a simple wipe. Try it, please. Someone likes sweets. Wait till she finds out you can remove the wrappers. But you can't eat the entire bowl of candy. After all, there won't be enough for the rest of us. I know. What you need is a special cardboard box. With an even smaller box inside. And look, it's even got a special cardboard tongue. In fact, you know it's got good taste. There's an even bigger tongue. Look, it's a special penguin candy bank. Just press the beak, and the sweets are yours. Just at a slower, friendlier pace. Of course, she might have other ideas about that last part. Can't fall asleep? Ooh, there's a monster under your bed? Oh, it's just Santa. And unlike monsters, he's real. Santa only appears when you're sleeping. So we just have to convince him that it's daytime. What we need is a powerful nightlight. Now we just need to whip up a special potion. It's like we've got a whole glass of sunshine. And I'm not talking orange juice. Off to the North Pole for him, and bed for you. Well, no use crying over spilled bubble solution. Yeah, I know that's not how it goes. But you'd be surprised by how many things can spill. In the meantime, wrap string around a bottleneck. Now add a penguin, just to keep things on theme. And a little soap and water always go a long way. Just don't forget to mix it up and give our little friend a dip. Now make a wish and blow. It's painting time. Wait, was that the Grinch? That guy is always stealing things. First Christmas, now this? But we can fix that. Just mash up a carrot. Now you can paint anything orange, like another carrot or orange. Oh no, he took green too. Well, grab a cucumber and get chewing. I wonder if this trick also works on pickles. Well, if it works, it works. Now get painting. Before the Grinch decides to steal aquamarine. Wow, it's like we're back in Spunky Land. Ooh, do I smell a crossover video?